But we're gonna have fire tonight, and I just wanted to show you my camp. You know, here we are all set up. Alright, well, this used to be, and it probably still is, logging. They grow these pines for logging up here. It's pretty nice. I give you an area. Well, as far as what I give you as an area, but there really ain't too many hiking trails that I can find. But I'm still working on it. Alright, if anything better comes up, I will let you know. Alright. I was walking the dog this morning, and I seen this path down there, so we're going to take a walk down there. And see what happens. Okay? Hang in there. Put that there. That should be tracking us. Come here. Where I gotta hook you, bud. I'm already hooked. Alright. Come on. And I'll have to look in the hog chain. Well, I was looking on the map yesterday. And up yonder, there's a lake off the road. So we're gonna take a hike up there. I don't feel like driving to the waterfall. Just got a long ride ahead of me tomorrow. Not feeling the ride. Anyhow, let's head this adventure out. We're going to be walking up the main road for the most part. Well, clay road or sand road. So, I got pegged and hooked. I just got to get them out. What the fuck is that?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
That have signs on them. Still property boundary, but for the most part. We're going that way at home. That's all you had on your mind is wherever it was up here, huh? Well, this is a camp. And there's one campsite, two campsites, third campsite, fourth campsite, and fifth campsite. The side I'm on is the even number. That was another adventure by wildly wandering the woods. I would rate this place at I would rate this place as just a one night stand, and there ain't really much to do out here. They got trails, but some of them aren't marked. Some of them you can't go on, I guess, and then some, but they don't mark